Welcome to this video on the types, functions, and objectives of libraries. We will explore these vital institutions that collect, organize, preserve, and provide access to the world's information resources. Libraries are institutions that collect, organize, preserve, and provide access to information resources. Different types of libraries serve different groups of users and fulfill various educational, research, and cultural needs of society. The major types of libraries include national libraries, public libraries, special libraries, academic libraries, and digital libraries. Modern libraries are pillars of societal development. They act as essential bridges between raw data and human understanding, ensuring that knowledge is democratized across all populations and professional fields. Major types include national, public, special, academic, and digital libraries. A national library serves as the central library of a nation, primarily focusing on collecting, organizing, and preserving the intellectual and cultural heritage of the country. Funded by the government and exemplified by the National Library of India, it typically operates under a legal deposit system to acquire copies of all domestic publications. Its core objectives are to safeguard literary history, support advanced research, and generate national bibliographies. To fulfill these, it functions by archiving rare books, historical manuscripts, newspapers, and journals, while offering specialized research assistance. Its ongoing programs actively promote this heritage through physical exhibitions, large-scale digitization projects, and dedicated scholar support services. A public library is a community-focused institution established for the general public, usually funded by government or local authorities, to provide free access to information for people of all ages and backgrounds. As seen with the Connemara Public Library, its main objectives are to promote literacy, encourage reading habits, and support lifelong learning and local community development. The library functions by lending books, providing newspapers and magazines, and offering reference and information services. To engage the public, it organizes dynamic activities and programs such as children's reading groups, cultural events, book exhibitions, community education workshops, and mobile library services tailored for rural areas. A special library is designed to serve a specific group of users by focusing on a particular subject field, industry, or organization, such as research institutions, corporations, and government departments. An example is the Rampur Raza Library, which works toward the objective of providing highly targeted, accurate, and up-to-date specialized information to support professional work and corporate decision-making. Functions include compiling specialized research reports, technical journals, and offering current awareness, indexing, and abstracting services. Its daily activities center heavily on data analysis, document preservation, customized information dissemination, and targeted bibliographic compilation for industry professionals. An academic library spans school, college, and university libraries, existing primarily to support the teaching, learning, and research objectives of an educational institution. Exemplified by the Maulana Azad Library, these spaces aim to provide essential learning materials for students and faculty while fostering independent study and academic research. They function by supplying textbooks, reference curriculum materials, scholarly journals, and dedicated research environments. To help students navigate these environments, academic libraries host essential programs like student orientation sessions, information literacy training, interactive book exhibitions, and advanced research support services. A digital library represents the modern evolution of information science, where resources are collected, stored, and accessed entirely in electronic formats via computers and the internet. With the objective of supporting remote learning and preserving digital documents globally, as demonstrated by the National Digital Library of India, it offers users unprecedented 24/7 online access to knowledge. Its primary functions involve maintaining online databases, managing ebooks, and hosting electronic research journals. The core activities of a digital library revolve around the continuous digitization of physical books and manuscripts, maintaining virtual reference desks, and developing secure digital archives and repositories. In conclusion, while each type of library serves a unique purpose, they collectively play a vital role in spreading knowledge, supporting education, and promoting cultural development throughout society. This video utilized images from several sources, including Arial.travel, lbb.in, commons.wikimedia.org, and www.magnific.com.